My name is Alexander Shaw, attorney at law, and I represent Mr. Dane Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, Mr. Mitchell made a video, and that video went viral. You would have seen via different media platforms that the video in which Mr. Mitchell said some disparaging things about the Constabulary Force, the Prime Minister, and it was very disrespectful to Jamaica, and he has now recognized the implications, the seriousness of his actions, and he has now taken responsibility and would love to tender an apology to the people of Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness.
Yes, good evening, Jamaica. My name is Dane Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. My behavior was outright and disrespectful. The things I said is not worthy to repeat, but I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things. As a result, I want to sincerely apologize to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Prime Minister, the hard-working men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And I want all Jamaicans to take this coronavirus, COVID-19, very serious and apply by the rules and regulations said by the Prime Minister. Alright, to all my friends, them family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, I want to tell them the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19 is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke. And I took it very seriously. I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already. I mean, I tell you, they must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it. And again, I'm very sorry and I apologize to the whole Jamaica, the JCF, and the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness.